we change a bit the surroundings on the Audi, because at this stage we've concluded there's more work needed, more comprehensive work. So we've done a bit of wiring work, because parking brake was stuck on. We repaired that. Now at the scan, there's one fault that is quite concerning, and this is the fault that we also had on the previous scan. Let me see if this is visible. So on the battery energy control module is this particular fault. Replace EV battery pack. Now what we believe this is caused is by the fact that the car stood very long time. Our plan is first of all to have a physical check underneath. We also, at this moment in time, this is the high voltage service disconnect open. So all electric batteries, they have a service plug that has to be a service point that has to be disconnected when work to the high voltage system is carried out. We already done that, but at this moment we first of all want to have a look at the battery physically. The battery is all on the floor of the vehicle, and the plan is probably that we will remove it. So this moment in time, are we ready? We can turn the ignition off and we can lift it up. Can we turn the ignition off? Yeah, let's turn the ignition off and then we will lift it up. We want to just have a physical look underneath, see if there's anything visible that we can see on the ramp from underneath, and then we'll make a plan. My assumption currently is that we will remove the battery. Yes. Yes, we can disconnect the battery. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's where the 12-volt battery it is located. And the green one over there, if you can film, that's the service charge for the high voltage battery, which has to be disconnected. It's basically just the black one plug that comes out. So let's have a quick look underneath. Yeah, okay, great. Let's see if we can see anything underneath. Electric vehicle, the battery, it should be pretty much all of the floor of the vehicle. So a big pack, obviously, to drive such a big car. What we are looking for now is signs of damage. Don't know if the floor of the car has been damaged. It's easy to go over a bump or something. Obviously, the battery housing is very solid, because the batteries should be very good protected. So, see, okay, look, we have some scratches on it. Oh, it's interesting that we have those sideways scratches. Look, there's one here. What this probably tells me is that this car was on a forklift when they moved it from the auction. I mean, not necessarily an issue, because I don't see it bent. But what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start stripping the under trays, have a quick look on the battery. We're gonna get the documentation to see how we'll get this dropped, and then yeah, we'll have to have it checked. We will take this to a specialist for that, and then yeah, we'll see exactly the condition and whether the battery is drained, whether it can be recharged, or hopefully not replaced. This is the plan. So let's get on with the under trays, and then we'll take it from there.